In today's world, a simple smartphone can become your biggest source of income if you use it wisely. Many people in Kenya are already turning their phones into money-making tools, earning anything from a few hundred shillings a day to tens of thousands every month. You do not need a laptop, an office, or even a lot of money to start. What you need most is consistency, patience, and the willingness to learn. With mobile money services like Mpesa, it is easier than ever to receive payments quickly and securely, making it possible for anyone with a phone and internet connection to earn. At first, it may seem difficult to believe that a phone can generate real income, but when you look closely, you will realize that most online work today is designed to be mobile-friendly. From answering surveys to selling products, everything can be done directly from your phone. Many young people, especially students and recent graduates, are using this opportunity to support themselves financially. Even people with full-time jobs are using their phones to earn extra income on the side. One of the easiest ways to begin is by using apps that pay users for simple tasks. These tasks can include answering questions, watching videos, downloading apps, or giving feedback on products. The money earned from such apps may not be very high at the beginning, but it can grow over time if you stay active. For example, if you earn about 300 Kenya shillings per day, that adds up to about 9,000 Kenya shillings in 1 month. That is enough to cover small expenses like internet bundles, food, or transport. Another popular way to earn money using your phone is by doing small field tasks in your area. Some companies pay people to visit shops, take photos, confirm prices, or check if certain products are available. These tasks are simple and do not require special skills. Each task can pay between 50 Kenya shillings and 500 Kenya shillings, depending on the difficulty and location. If you plan your day well and complete several tasks in one trip, you can earn a good amount without spending too much on transport. Freelancing is another powerful way to make money using your smartphone. Many people think freelancing requires a laptop, but that is not always true. You can write articles, design posters, manage social media pages, or even transcribe audio using only your phone. There are many apps and platforms that allow you to find clients from all over the world. At the beginning, you may earn small amounts like 1,000 Kenya shillings per project, but as your skills improve, you can earn much more. Some freelancers in Kenya are making over 30,000 Kenya shillings every month just by working from their phones. Social media has also opened many doors for people who want to earn money online. Platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and WhatsApp can be used to build an audience or promote products. If you enjoy creating videos, you can share content that entertains, educates, or inspires people. As your followers grow, brands may start paying you to promote their products. Even without brand deals, you can still make money by selling your own products or services. For example, you can use WhatsApp to showcase items like clothes, shoes, or accessories, and sell them directly to your contacts and status viewers. Starting a small online business is also possible with just a phone. Many Kenyans are buying and selling products without having a physical shop. You can start by selling second-hand clothes, also known as mitumba, or small items like phone covers and beauty products. You can source these products at a lower price and sell them at a profit using social media. With time, as your customer base grows, your business can expand and bring in consistent income. Some people have grown such small businesses into full-time ventures, earning over 50,000 Kenya shillings per month. Another important area to consider is saving and investing money through mobile apps. Instead of spending all the money you earn, you can use part of it to grow your wealth. There are apps that allow you to save small amounts daily and earn interest over time. You can also invest in shares or other financial products directly from your phone. Even if you start with as little as 100 Kenya shillings, the habit of saving and investing can make a big difference in the long run. While there are many opportunities to make money online, it is also important to be careful. There are scams that target people who are eager to earn money quickly. Some platforms may ask for registration fees or promise very high returns in a short time. These are usually red flags. A genuine opportunity will not require you to pay large amounts upfront. Always do your research, read reviews, and avoid anything that sounds too good to be true. Protecting yourself from scams is just as important as finding ways to earn. To succeed in making money with your phone, you need to be disciplined and consistent. Do not expect instant results. It may take weeks or even months before you start seeing significant income. However, if you remain focused and keep improving your skills, your efforts will pay off. Try to combine different methods instead of relying on one source of income. For example, you can use apps to earn small daily amounts freelance to get bigger payments, and run a small business for long-term growth. Time management is also very important. Set aside a few hours each day to work on your online activities. Even if you only have 1 or 2 hours, use that time wisely. Avoid distractions and focus on tasks that bring value. Over time, these small daily efforts will add up and create a steady income stream. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. Your smartphone is a powerful tool that you already own. Instead of using it only for entertainment, you can turn it into a source of income and financial growth. Many people in Kenya have already proven that it is possible to earn a living using just a phone. You can start small, learn as you go, and build something meaningful over time. In the end, making money with your phone is not about luck. It is about effort, learning, and persistence. The opportunities are there, but you have to take action. Start with what you have, stay consistent, and keep improving. With time, your smartphone can become one of the most valuable assets in your life, helping you achieve financial independence and a better future.